Hello and welcome back. So in this lecture we will create our remove background gig. So let's delete the previous gig which is in the denied section. Now create a new gig and write the title. I will remove background from image in just 24 hours. Choose the category or background removal. Click on all of these options. Add some search tags. Now click on save and continue. So the second step is define our packages. So basic package is $5, standard $10, premium $20. So they describe the details of your offering. Remove background 15 images I think, and standard 15, premium 25. Delivery days 1 day, 2 days for premium. So review and unlimited. Number of images select, source file, $5, $10, and $20. No, we don't provide any extra services. Save and continue. Now define our gig. Hi, if you want to remove background image and in just 24 hours, then yes, you are at the right place. I will remove your image background using Adobe Photoshop and artificial intelligence. Highlight this. If you have product image and you want to remove background, yes, we did for you. Even you can change the background color image. Feel free to contact me. Add some FAQs. Save and continue. Add a question in our requirement section. So add the question. Kindly send me your pics which you want to remove background. Add, save and continue. Now upload our pictures which we create. So almost done now. Now click on publish gig. So congratulations, our first gig is now published and it will not be denied by Fiverr. So our gig is active now. So let's see how it looks. Now you are familiar and know how we create our gigs. So in the next video we will explore our second gig and then we will create that. So I will see you in the next one.